But your men are here canvassing inside that polling point. Morgan is doing it inside here. Morgan, is it not your man? Your men? Why are they calling my name?
This is Isiagwezinata Ward 05 to 07. The card reader just started working now, okay? Yes, the card reader just started working now. This is 9:55. As you can see, the card reader of 011 Isiagwezinata Ward is not working. Yes, they have not started anything here. Okay, but the INEC officer is here to rectify it. Let's watch and wait and see what will happen. I'm Madam Marachi reporting from Isiagwezinata 011. Thank you. This polling unit 013. The card reader is having issue after voting. The card reader will not verify it, but they will verify. The card reader will verify the thumbprint and the picture of that person. But after voting, the card reader will not record it. That is the problem now in 013 Isiagwezinata Ward. Good afternoon. This is the polling unit 013 Isiagwezinata Ward. Like in the need to see go vote. So I went up with waiting at the card reader with a problem that all the votes are to be a wipe or out. I don't know. But when me call even when me I can't even just tell what is happening. As I'm talking to you, all the votes have to go have wiped out from the card reader as they are complaining. This is Isiagwezinata polling unit 13, okay? Here people can see it. And many people have gone. Many people have left the polling arena. All the polling units in Isiagwezinata Ward, their card reader is not working. As you can see, their card reader is not working. All the polling units in Isiagwezinata Ward, their card reader is not working. There are some INEC officials here that is rectifying it. As you people can see, it's not working. They are just trying to. It's not working. There is no, like this polling unit from this polling unit from 008 to 012. Their card reader is not working, but there are some INEC officials here that is rectifying it. Everybody is still walking around, hoping for something to happen. Okay.
This is SYMFONI Ward 2, St. Padua Catholic Church. The machine is also not working.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.